People, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Happy Saturday sa inyong lahat. Hope okay ang lahat, nasa mabuting kalagayan. Today, maglaag na naman si Australianang Bisaya. Punta ako sa Shell Harbor, mga 1 hour drive from her. Window shopping tayo. Si Habi natutulog. So, I'll see you later mga besties. Laag na naman si Australianang Bisaya. Punta tayo sa Malaking Mall sa Shell Harbor kasama ang mga beaches. So, I'll see you later. Bye. It's really straight now.
Get into the Stockland, yeah?
You can get in.
But some store.
That's
why
why
I bring my certificate. Paul said, bring your certificate.
Yeah.
Bring high.
Yeah.
That's why I bring. You don't have on the phone? I have in the phone, but I am much better. I show my paper.
I said to them, because
So,
we didn't need all of this
Hello, my
technology.
little
How about this gonna?
we're here in Lynn's house. So, daan muna tayo before we're going to the mall.
We just gonna put now.
We're gonna have a stroll. We're Asians, so we're going to Shell Harbor. Yay!
Stop Asian hate.
True. One day we're gonna do a video. You can do that for me. Where else, hi? Hi, Alvina. We're gonna do a video about racism. You agree? Yeah, cause I don't know. I think.
Q&A, question and answer.
Yes. Hi.
You have to
Prepare.
the question. And
Next time we're gonna get it together. Hi.
Yeah,
I'm gonna do a video.
Okay.
Cause like you know what? I had an experience last week. Yeah, Hannah.
Oh yeah.
I went to chemist. It's really bad because I ordered like medication for my husband, right? And then the medication that I got is like the price is not the same. And then I rang my husband and said like, no, go back there and show them that it's not, the price is incorrect. And then I just talked to the lady. I said, excuse me, can you please double check?
Yeah.
And they said, oh yeah, it's like that, it's the same like that. And I like,
Just
you know,
pressure already, you know? You
like,
don't take notice.
no, just like I went home and then I really upset and cranky.
Crying.
I'm crying. It's really bad and bad racism, you know, really everywhere you can experience that, but some days it's really hard to take it, you know, most especially you finish work and you're very, very tired.
That's right.
Yeah, that sometimes
Proud to be Asian, to be honest.
yeah, but yeah,
I'm proud to be Asian. You know, if I'm white, I'm much the same like them, you know.
true.
Yeah, so
But yeah, I agree. But still sometimes.
you are. Yeah, I'm proud.
Have you experienced Dailin or racism, Albina? No.
I didn't prepare.
Yeah, so far, yeah, I don't have really.
Yeah, I'm friendly also like that.
Ah, that's good. A really good feelings.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Police.
Yeah, please.
Don't spread mine. Shell Harbor. Thank you for giving me entry. Let's find a parking. Harbor. Let's go shopping, guys. Shopping. Christmas. Namimili ng mga dress. So, next day. So, it's time for fitting. The window shopping. Nag-fitting si Alvina. Yeah,
Later,
before
if
we
I
go.
didn't saw,
Anything,
I just
yeah.
look first.
Mm. Fair enough, fair enough. Fair enough. Long lost sister. Matutumba pa tayo kalagot. Hello, sister. Ganda ng buho. Ayan na. So you're looking for a 90s.
That's nice.
Pinky. Is that shorts? With shorts?
No, this is just the
Top.
t-shirt.
Mm.
This one is with
What else?
long pants. It's talking, I know. You look
Bag.
window shopping.
I buy my husband a shaker
And there's a Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. Gives under 50. Gives under $50.
Yeah, that's alright.
Mm.
This is because, yeah.
30%.
Yeah, that's right.
What's this one? Oh,
Yeah,
cute.
what is this?
Hair
Oh, I
color.
think there is, yeah.
And hot. Give under $30. Forever new. Mm. Yeah. Wow. Try it on, baby. Wow.
Ito yung satu niya. Oh, beda to.
Mm. Wow, these are the model. Oh no. Wow. Yes. Look at that.
Pretty.
Target mga people. Mamili tayo ng sale. Sale.
Yeah.
Minecraft. Bina din shopping. Where's the other lady? Lynn is over there. Leah. Shopping. Nag-shopping mga beautiful people. Just waiting with Alvina. So, yan. Tapos na kami sa Target. So, against the light. So, yan. May Christmas decor na. Merry Christmas. Target. We're going for our lunch na day.
Ada size-nya.
Magla-lunch na tayo, okay? Ang dami mong nabili?
Iya, iya.
Once. Saka
Wow.
pa nagkakaroon ko na.
So, it's mako 4 o'clock na. Hindi pa tayo nag-lunch.
Nggak nyaman. So, you guys choose what you want.
So, we're getting our lunch. Lunch time.
For you. No, no.
Ready for lunch. Plate.
Where is the rice?
Inside my bag. And Lynn's bringing rice. Ting tireng, ting tireng. Oh, I forgot the rice. Oh no. Oh no. There it is. Rice. Mga beautiful people, para makikita na ako ng aninipot. Because it's time check 4 o'clock. Late lunch kami. So, binuksan na ni Manang Marilyn yung lunch natin na rice na dala natin. So, one bag. So, this is for our lunch. Rice. What's this? Dugo-dugo? Curry. So, curry chicken. And then,
Butter chicken.
KFC. Hey?
Butter chicken.
Buttered?
Yeah. Indian.
Maybe she thinks you're gonna travel somewhere.
No, she don't.
So, I'm very hungry. Good. Let's go eat. So, kakain muna kami mga beautiful people. So, we're eating now. Hello! We're complete. Yay! So, eating time. Was very hungry. Chili.
Chili.
Ano, ngayon tayo.
Grilled chicken.
Yeah, you get grilled chicken.
They give me this extra one spicy.
Oh, same. We got chili.
Yeah. Here. I asked them to put all over the chicken, but instead in case that you need more, here I give you. He's nice.
Chicken. And then the whole roast chicken.
Grilled chicken.
Eating time. Hungry now.
Tadi aku mau.
Chicken wings up. Chicken. There's more done. What? Isa pang chicken joy.
Thank you so much for the chicken.
True. People, tapos na kaming kumain, so we're going to our gala again. Oh, where is she? Han! Give the other one. Wait, give me, because I don't have nothing here, Dai. I'm just walking with my feet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Sandbog is closed. Close na yung tindahan. Hindi na kami makabili. Yung Meyer na lang yung open. Only Meyer. There's no other shop. Close. Meyer's over there.
You know where?
Hmm.
You know what? Where in junction? Opposite.
So mga close na yung shop 4 p.m. Close na siya. Close na. So close na. Big telly. So we're going home now. So yung mga coffee shop closing. Uwi na. Tarunga TV. Sorry, we're closed. We're going home. Too loud. Close. Uwi na. See?
Yeah.
Uwi na. Kasi nagpo-close na yung mga shop. Bro, and last week is still on. So, close na talaga lahat. Mag-reply ko kaya we're going home now. My beautiful. That's pretty behind me. Oh, the dress as well. Come on, I get it. Otherwise you're in a trouble. So yan, let's go. Yan na kasi close na. Still close? So close na din. So it's still 4. It was nearly 5 o'clock. Magka 5 o'clock na. Wala na mga tao. So close na yung sandal. Close ng country road. Close na talaga asin close. Market. Close na din. Close na. Wala na yung mga isda na nahali na. So let's go to close now. Police. So it's time to go, people. Thank you for watching from my vlog. Yeah, first market. Yeah, do you think you're gonna have a look there or what? If you're going, if you're not, it's okay. $3. So see you in my next vlog, guys. Just like, comment, subscribe. Oh, no. So, mga beautiful peeps, we're going home now kasi lahat ng shop is closed. Sorry, we're closed. So, we're going home. We're gonna drive for nearly an hour, no? So, see you on my next vlog, mga beautiful people. Please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless. Bye!